We've flown for 14 hours today, and wagon, there are just wagons everywhere. I tell you guys what, Sweden was a disaster. So, today I'm gonna be putting a wing on the Skyline. I'm also gonna be messing around with the idea of a roof wing. I'm not totally sure how I'm gonna work that out, because I do have some plans with the roof wing that are a little bit interesting, a little bit different, something I haven't seen before personally, and I'm gonna try it out. We'll see what happens with this car, but we may or may not get to the roof wing today, but today we're definitely going to mount the new wing. That way we can see what it looks like. We can kind of get a better idea of how the Skyline is going to turn out once we really start breaking it down, tearing it apart, and rebuilding it for the new season. So let's get going. Okie dokie, guys. So I got the wing mocked up here, kind of barely, but this is the wing that I got for the car. It's kind of a Wangan style wing, however you'd like to pronounce that. And I really like this style. I'm a big fan of the drag wings. As you guys know, we did it with my E30, but it's really common with specifically Team Abo Moon. They all do, you know, the metal drag wing. So when I came across this, yeah, got that wing. I also have a roof wing that I'll go get, and then, yeah. It's much nicer out now. It was really cold this morning, so I kind of quit. But I did just come out and wipe off all of the old sticky shit that was on here. I'm not going to fill these holes right now, just because we're kind of just mounting stuff up today, because I don't have the garage space. So getting tools and stuff out here is kind of a pain in the ass. Gonna pull the wing out, and then we'll figure out how we can mark up some holes, because there's actually little screw bits, places for screws in here, and they're actually metal threaded bits, like they're actually like nuts that are in there, and then there's just fiberglass around it. It's actually it's pretty neat. Like this is a nice piece. It's really good, really good, really good. All right, so we just got the garage cleared out, actually. So I'm going to be able to take my car into the garage, and then we can finish putting the wing on in there. So I'm going to mount my bumper really quick, because we're over here and my bumper's here and I have zip ties. So that's kind of the right thing to do, right? Makes sense. You know, it's not a bad looking car when you ignore everything that sucks about it. Let's get this thing in the garage. So I just put in the corner holes for the wing, but I'm gonna have to make a little space here for me to get a screwdriver up in there, get a screw up in there, and yeah, that's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. So we're gutting the trunk up a little bit. Alright, well, I did it. Notched out that first corner. You have clear access to the hole. There it is. Access to it there. I'm gonna cut out the other one, and then we will loosely bolt in the wing, and then we'll be able to mark out the other holes and put it on. Yeah, have it fit great. Though I know that self-filmed videos are not always the most fun to watch, this angle is really good for what I'm doing right now. Alrighty, so we're gonna get this bad boy test fitted real quick. We will wait for reinforcements. The wing that I've always fucking wanted because it's covering up all the wings that I didn't want. It's bad. You got the big country lab, you got the Saab wing, you got the wing that was on before I even had the car. Like this trunk is made of it's cheese.
Was there a wing on it when you got it, or was it missing?
No, but there were holes in it.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Rip.
Sweet. So what is this? What is this thing called? What does it have?
It's kind of like a...
It's not part of the kit?
Not really. No. It was kind of a pain in the ass to figure out where to find it, because I found it on Instagram. It was on some guy's car, and I talked to him, and then he told me this place that was in Australia, and it was kind of a pain in the ass, but I found it. RocketZ.net. It like really shouldn't have been as hard as it was to find. I'll link it. Okay, so I got helping hands. Donnie's here, do the old mounting of things, and so guys, you just so come here, so you can see this where you hold it, like so it's even on both sides, and straight up here, straight up, like the, so just got there. You hold it that, and then go do things. Donnie, where you going? So just pull down in front too. Press down in front. Okay, 23 man. How are you gonna go through it on top?
Huh? Lots of stuff falling out. Whatever you're doing.
Yeah.
It's kind of screwed on.
Yeah, it's only kind of on right now.
Usually when I'm going metal into plastic, I try to drill the metal bigger. Because all you really need out of that is for the bolt head not to pull through.
Yeah. I am pretty pumped that I get to run this wing tomorrow, though. That's gonna be sick. Fucking, oh shit, there's moths. Fucking light, hate light. God damn it. Yeah, it's not.